Oh, so little time and so much to talk about, but what I will say is if you've been making preparations since yesterday, you guys are the smartest folks in the room. That's a fact. There's a lot of weather coming our way, including 3 big snowstorms and wind chills of 30 below. 40-mile-an-hour winds, something we have frankly never seen. Let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to talk about your Friday and your weekend next week as well. Here's our view outside. We've got basically good travel weather out there. And so many folks have been preparing them. I've seen big old round bales of hay going to horses today. That's so good to see. Folks are preparing for this. So we've got cloudy skies, a few flurries right now, and our temperature is 18 degrees with a north wind at 14 miles per hour. Winter storm watch is in effect. These will be extended to include Tulsa as well. As of right now, they're not, but all of Oklahoma City is. These will go to winter storm warnings as well. 3 waves of snow coming, folks, along with Siberian air. It is frankly a combination and a setup that I know I've never talked about before, and will have near record to record all-time low temperatures, not including the wind chill factor. And that's going to be brutal, extra brutal as well. There's been an ice storm down here in Texas. 6 people killed, 135-car pileup, I-35W near Fort Worth this morning. We're basically dry. Quick check with Brian Winslow, one of our trackers. Brian.
Yeah, Mike, roads are running fine. Haven't seen any accidents. Been out since 4 o'clock. There's not really anybody out right now. It is dangerous cold, so, take a blanket or a coat, if you got to go out, because if you get stuck beside the road, this is fatal cold. We'll be out here keeping an eye on it for you. Back to you.
You always want to call ahead, folks, especially when this Siberian air arrives Saturday night through Wednesday of next week. You want to call ahead. We are going to be discouraging all travel, though, beginning on Sunday. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go back to our weather maps here. So there's an ice storm down here in the deep south of Texas, San Antonio over through almost College Station and Austin and Waco. That's extending into northern Louisiana. So here comes the first storm system now on shore in California. This is plenty strong in its own right. It will come into Oklahoma on Saturday. So we're going to see snow develop on Saturday. Some of this snow may be a little bit heavier as this system is looking, as you can tell by looking at it, it is strong, and it comes out on Saturday. Right behind that one is this large system here. This comes out Sunday and Monday. The timing on this has not changed, and it will be traveling right across Oklahoma beginning on Sunday morning through Monday afternoon. Generally west to east across our state. Take you out to the planet view. It has a tropical connection here. The Pineapple Express has been activated, and that tropical moisture, as you can see, is streaking up toward Oklahoma as well, and that's going to enhance the snowfall, and that's exactly why we jumped on this yesterday, that we haven't changed the forecast or the messaging at all. Tomorrow, a fine day to continue to prepare. Now, snow is going to start coming down on Saturday, and it may be a little bit heavier. Then that Siberian air arrives. 3 waves of snow Saturday, then a brief break, and then it fills right back in again Sunday morning through Monday afternoon, then another storm right behind it Tuesday evening through Thursday of next week. Oklahoma City, yes, still locked in, I think, at 10 to 15 inches of snow. There may be heavier totals in portions of our state than 15 inches of snow. And I've got a low of 17 below Tuesday morning. That would tie the all-time record low temperature for Oklahoma City, and a wind chill of 30 below. So certainly with blowing and drifting snow, 40-mile-an-hour winds plus, we'll see some 3, 4, and 5-foot plus snow drifts. Here's the snow Saturday. This is looking a little bit heavier. Here's the snow by Sunday morning. Here's the snow by Sunday evening. Here's the snow by Monday evening. Here is northwestern Oklahoma, generally 8 to 10 inches of snow, some local totals, and near 10 inches in northern Oklahoma. Again, this is a combo of that Saturday and Sunday, Monday storm. Then down to central Oklahoma, give or take a foot of snow, blowing and drifting snow with high winds and Siberian cold air, and then 6 to 10 inches in southern Oklahoma. I'll zoom all the way out, show you the footprint laid down by these first 2 weather systems. This is all snowfall. You see where the bullseye is, and there is your key as to the snow depth. Okay, now we're going to talk about the system coming up Tuesday night through Thursday midday. This one tracks west to east as well. Almost a 77 county snow as well, and we'll see 3 to 6 inches with this one in the Oklahoma City metro. You can add that number to the number that I just showed you with storms 1 and 2, and then look at the giant footprint this lays down, including what appears to be a really heavy snow track on Wednesday and Thursday through southeast Oklahoma and Arkansas, and there could be some 15-plus inch snow totals there. It's really pretty wild what we're talking about here. This is kind of off the charts, isn't it? So here's the wind chill factor. As we head toward late Saturday, it'll start to tumble. By Sunday morning, a lot of -10 to -15. By Sunday evening and Monday morning, a lot of -15 to -25. And then right down there in that -30-degree range later Monday through Tuesday morning as that Siberian air rushes in. And that'll be blowing and drifting snow, some whiteout conditions. Really the whole thing here combined with that very dangerous cold. That's why it's such a big deal. 13 tonight, 19 for tomorrow, cloudy skies, a few flurries, and then there's that timeline on Sunday into Monday. You see that system comes right across Oklahoma, it exits, and then here comes that next system coming up for late Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday morning of next week. North winds 12 to 24, wind chills close to 0 degrees in the morning, cloudy skies, but basically dry, maybe a few snow flurries around, and 10 to 15 in the morning. Your morning drive looks dry, about what it is out there right now. Here's my 7-day +4, 13 to 19, a few flurries tomorrow, some light and perhaps some moderate snow now on Saturday, 15 to 19, 10 dropping to 6 on Sunday, Valentine's Day. That's storm number 1, blowing and drifting snow continuing into Monday, -2 to 4, -17 Tuesday morning, 8 with a bit of sunshine, and here comes the next storm on Wednesday, and maybe, guys, up to 35 degrees a week from Sunday. We'll look forward to that.
That's going to seem tropical.
Yes.
A pair of California Cowboys are back in their home state for a PGA Tour stop.